Alright guys, just another day at the welding machine shop. Alright y'all, so I got my helper over here cleaning. Oh, you ain't in there. Oh, you want to be in there?
Oh, I thought I was.
Oh, I got him scraping the inside of that clean. These are the tops I cut off. I'm about to grind the edges around them smooth. And now the good part about this, guys, is see how uneven some of those cuts are? That ain't gonna matter because we're gonna put a flat bar around the whole thing to make it look more straight and everything. I mean, it would have been more straight, but you know, I was using a grinder and it was that night. Still got fluid in there, so we're gonna go ahead and grind that. Alright YouTube, also another thing you guys need to know is if you're gonna do any grilling or oil drum or anything like that, make sure you burn it out, because you don't want to cook food on it while that stuff is in there, because you can get poisoned. Alright, stay tuned. Nah, but he's been with me for what? This is the second year? Yeah, second year.
Yeah.
So, alright, now this wire you see right here, wire for 5 years. Since I bought the first green Everlast. Now we're gonna see how, if this wire is still good. This too, you know, saran wrap. And the main ingredients, you guys might laugh, is rice. So yeah, this is 5 years. First time opening it. My grandma. First time opening it. Yeah, I can't even say that right. What the heck, man. Alright, but we're gonna open this and ramp up. 5 years, no moisture, just rice. That's all I used. I think the rice might be good. So we'll see. We'll see. Is the wire still good? Was that a good 10-pound spool? Still smells brand new. This is the Lincoln inner gas AWS. It's it's E71T11. I got this from Lowe's. Alright guys, so this is what we're using. We're using the Power iMig 275S with some wire, some flux core wire. There you go. Let's get into it. They both have their drawbacks, and they both have their greatness. This is 035, so this is pretty good. And if I was welding structural, I would clip that end off every time. But being that this is just a grill, ain't nothing spectacular. So we got our little frame here. Here's our little grill mesh. That's gonna sit down in there like so. Oh man, really, Cody? Oh yeah. I'm gonna cram that bad boy in. You gotta cut off a little edge, and then boom, that's set in. That's These are the welding machine grills. Thank you for watching. Most people don't weld these in all the way, but I'm not most people. Yeah, so we got this big old rack right here. I call this the Grand Mamma Jamma. One, yeah, big old thing right here, Bob. You can put almost 200 birthday patties, 200 patties on this bad boy. About 50,000 worth of chicken. If you don't believe me, try it. Don't try it because I don't know. You can definitely put about 2 hogs on here. Boston butts, you can probably put 1, 2, 3, 9 of them bad boys on here, give or take. You know what I'm saying? You want to turn that into a grill site? Turn that into a grill site. You put about 9 more Boston butts in there on top of that. So, if you guys want a welding machine grill, we call this the, what is a good name for my grill? My own personal, my branded grill. If you want the cooking machine grill, call the welding machine. More weld on that crap. I was like, what? Really? Hater. Sorry guys, protection. Oh, you didn't get my face, did you?
No, I can.
Yeah, I've been welding this helmet the whole time. I mean, dang it, I just lied on myself. I've been welding this helmet the whole time. Yep, y'all know I'm lying. Don't know what kind of hinges these are, but these are the great hinges of North Carolina. This one's kind of crooked, but you know what? If you look at it just right, it looks straight. No, it still looks crooked. But you know what? Don't matter. Because a welding machine can. Dang, I hope this one ain't gonna want to stick.
Need the hammer?
Oh, nah.
And waddle away, waddle, waddle.
So that's how you gonna fix this, guys.
Dun,
This
dun,
one.
dun, dun, dun.
So take this clamp like this.
Good quality right here.
You said what?
See, your camera's good.
Oh, yeah, it's alright. It's alright, man.
Yeah, it's okay.
There we go.
And it blurs out the background too, that's nice.
That's about the same height, and I'm about to fill these holes. Better not say that too loud.
Wonder what this is.
Yeah.
Alright, weld this up. 3, 2, 1, watch your eyes.
Yep. Nice.
I know my steel. Do you know yours?
Yep. Children are?
Yep.
Perfect. It ain't gotta be perfect, but that's perfect enough. Honestly, should I weld the top? Flip it over and flip it. Yeah, I can weld that. If you got it, we can weld it. Take the flat wheel, move that out a little bit, make it look fresh. Oh, but he can't take this one out because it's got hinges. Gotta use a wire wheel. Oh dang, duh, that helps that drum connection. Ooh, that looked like booty. You know what? It's gonna